So, alright then, here is tip number 4 and myth number 4, okay? So this is a very common myth that I've seen from a lot of my clients who file their taxes on their own. They use TurboTax. They know that they made mistakes on their taxes, but they come to me and say, hey, I know I did this wrong, but it's been 1 year, it's been 2 years. I have not heard back from the IRS, so I must have gotten away with it. I must have been good, right? So the bad news is that there's something called the statute of limitations. Not statute as in, like the Statue of Liberty. No, statute of limitations, which says that the IRS has a certain amount of time to go back in time and audit your taxes. So, for example, if you make a small mistake, they have 3 years to go back. If you make a big mistake, they have 6 years to go back and audit you. If you commit fraud or if you don't file your taxes at all, there is no statute of limitations. They can go back as far as they want to audit you. So just because you don't hear back from the IRS does not mean that you got away with the error that you made on your tax. Okay? If there's one fact that I could give you guys, is that America does not play when it comes to taxes. Okay? Think about it, right? Back in the day, Al Capone out of Chicago, he got away with a lot of crimes, right? He got away with a lot of violent crimes. He got away with murder and a whole bunch of crimes, but they found him guilty of tax evasion. So that just shows you that when it comes to the United States of America, you want to make sure that you are being compliant with your taxes. So for those of you who want to save money by filing your own taxes and using TurboTax, please be very careful and be mindful of the statute of limitations. I want to tell you to please like, comment, and share. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. Please don't hesitate to book a call with our team. I would love to hear more about your real estate journey and how we could support you to making your real estate business even more profitable and grow faster. And lastly, please also join our free private Facebook group called REI Tax Hack, where we give you a valuable free tax tips that normally you would have to pay thousands of dollars for, but we give it to you guys for free because we just love giving value. Okay, so once again, if you enjoyed this video, please stay tuned, follow us, follow all our social media, and I will see you at the next video. Remember, taxes is something not to dread. It's not a once a year task that you need to dread, but it's something that you need to be proactive about. And that this is the perfect example of you need to be proactive about the new tax laws. You need to be keeping up to date, but I know that it's hard to keep up to date with all these tax laws because taxes is very complex. That's why we're here. We're here to simplify taxes for you. Okay, we are here every step of the way. I will see you at the next video.